Is your phone battery draining fast, even when you're not using it? Does your phone get hot for no reason, even while it's idle in your pocket or on the table? If yes, the real problem might not be your battery at all. It could be a hidden Android setting silently working against you. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm revealing one powerful trick inside your Android's developer options that can dramatically improve your battery life, phone speed, and even your privacy. Let's dive in. Here's the truth. Android was built to keep apps running in the background, even after you think you've closed them. You open WhatsApp and check a few messages, then switch to Facebook, then YouTube. Guess what? WhatsApp and Facebook are still secretly active in the background. Now multiply that by 10 apps a day. All of them are quietly eating up your battery, processing power, data, and even using your location or mic without your permission. That's why your phone gets hot. That's why your battery drains even when you're not touching your phone. And that's why your device slows down over time. But there's a way to stop this. There's a hidden setting called Limit Background Processes, and it can change everything. When enabled, it tells your phone, only allow a limited number of apps to stay running in the background, close the rest. You get full control. Want maximum battery life? Choose No Background Processes. Every app you close will shut down completely. Want a balance between notifications and performance? Choose at most 2 processes. This allows a few key apps to run while others are stopped. Use WhatsApp, Messenger, or Telegram regularly? Choose at most 4 processes. You'll still get messages without killing your battery entirely. Here's how to activate it step by step. 1. Enable developer options. Go to Settings, About Phone, tap Software Information. Now tap build number 7 times fast until you see the message. You're now a developer. 2. Access developer options. Go back to the main settings menu. You'll now see developer options at the bottom. Tap it. 3. Limit background processes. Scroll down to the apps section. Find and tap Limit Background Processes. Choose the option that suits your battery-saving needs. Quick warning, if you select No Background Processes, you might experience delays in notifications, especially from apps like WhatsApp. But don't worry, it's a trade-off for longer battery life, better performance, and more privacy. And you can change this setting anytime. This single tweak, designed originally for developers, can actually make your phone run cooler, faster, and longer. Test it out for just one day and you'll feel the difference. If this helped you, support the channel with a like and subscribe for more Android tips that actually make a difference. See you in the next one.